Welcome to Logimeter Insights. Are you accurately allocating your employees who receive inbound sales call and web leads on Logimeter xTracker? Keeping your employee records up to date is essential for two main reasons. Employees who join your team need to be added to xTracker and allocated to specific call groups. Employees who leave your business need to be removed from the call group in xTracker, otherwise they'll continue to receive your leads once they have left. If you have an LMS partner, work with them to maintain your employee records. This will result in your data automatically refreshing in xTracker. If you do not have an LMS partner, we will demonstrate in this video how to manually maintain your employee records in xTracker. We will cover how to update employee information, how to change alternate failover contacts, and how to add and remove contacts. To log in, go to logimeter.com and select Login. Note your user details will be supplied by the Logimeter support team. Alternatively, if you have existing user details and forgot your password, please use the Forgot Password option. Once logged in, select the employee option in the left column. A list of all existing employee details will populate in the center column for your review. This column will also indicate whether the employee is marked as available or unavailable. This is presented by a green icon and a red icon. Note, if there are any new employees required to be loaded, then please send us an email to support@logimeter.com with all relevant details, and we'll have this loaded for you. If you wish to edit a specific employee's details, select the employee in question. All details will populate in the right column. Click the pencil icon to edit the information. Select the drop-down list next to call manager number and select what's the primary number of contact. Mark the employee if they are available or not to receive calls. Once you are happy with your update, select Save. Select the call group option in the left column. A list of all existing call groups will populate in the center column for your review. This column will also indicate which employees are linked to each call group and their availability status. If the employee name is marked in green, this indicates that they are available to receive calls, and red if they're unavailable to receive calls. To edit a specific call group, select the call group in question. Call group details will populate in the right column. Click the pencil icon to edit the call group. Insert an alternate number if you would like calls to fail over to a single contact number. Insert an alternate contact if you would like calls to fail over to an existing employee. Note, if there are any new employees required to be loaded, then please send us an email to support@logimeter.com with all relevant details, and we'll have this loaded for you. Insert an alternate call group if you would like calls to fail over to a call group. To add an employee to a call group, insert the employee name and select it from the drop-down list. To remove an employee from the call group, select the X next to the employee's name. Once you are happy with the changes made, click Save. This is one of many videos that will be released by the Logimeter support team on how to best manage the xTracker portal. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email us at support@logimeter.com.